I love Sunday mornings like these. The lighting, the fog. It's just awesome to go out there for a drive. And today we will go out for a coffee run of collecting cars, which are hosting a coffee run event on the Eiland of Maurik. I couldn't attend to the event last time because we were at the Nürburgring with Golf R32, but now it was definitely worth it to go out there with my father in his Golf R32 in front of me, always leading the way. I believe they said that there will be approximately 500 cars, so I honestly don't know what to expect. Yes, I can finally proper rev match with those pups. That was pretty hard to do. We made a longer way to this event because we didn't want to take a ferry because it is an island, but I think you can also reach it by land, as you can see. That rev matching goes actually really well. Oh, I didn't see that speed bump. These surroundings here also are actually really beautiful. I shot a GT3 race last week over here, and I already noticed that there are a lot of cool spots over here in the Netherlands, but it is not really around the corner for us, which is a bit of a shame because cool locations in the Netherlands are actually quite rare, and that's a shame. This is such a cool shot. Lovely. I think this is already the island, as they call it. It is not the shortest route, as I already said, and we had to take a ferry, but I don't know. Where is everyone? Honestly, 500 cars? And where is everyone? I haven't seen anyone on the route, except for an I-40 and a red one, but where? I don't understand it. It was today, right? Oh, this is it. I mean, really? Those aren't 500 cars. Cool Mini GP3, Civic Type R, Clio RS, i30N, which we just saw on the road. A red one. This is not what I really was expecting. I hope it gets busier over the time. We drove almost an hour for this. It's actually quite a shame. Such a cool location for a meeting like this. GTS. Oh, that V8. Take a look at this Ferrari 488 Spider finished in Giallo Triplo Strato. Now this would literally be my dream spec. Although I'm more a fan of a Pista, I can really appreciate this car. I mean, look at those lines in the light. And also we got a Rosso 430 Spider, which looks really good next to this sort of Singer RSR recreation. And also a Dax Cobra, which is basically a replica. But this is a really cool trio.
And I thought I would be unique with my Focus RS. And it remains a great car. The Focus RS Mark II in Ultimate Green. Definitely not your usual sight. Lexus RCF, and especially in orange. Looks quite cool. And here we got the third Focus RS, not the blue and black edition, but still not so unique. Renault's color still surprises me and keep on surprising me. Look at this Jean Serio. I love this color so much. I just heard that this is the only Twingo in Europe with this color. Speaking of that color, Megane RS rolling through. And here we have number 4. Also another blue and black edition. And next to the Focus RS we've got something very unique. We got a Donkerfart D8 GTO RS with 360 power coming out of the Audi TT RS or RS3 5-cylinder and weighs under 800 kilos. Dutch handmade cars and really scary to drive. And over here we have number 4. Unfortunately limited. Looks cool to see your own car driving.